Hey there, what's up everyone? In today's video, I will show you how you can create advertising campaigns for Revive Ad Server.
My name is Sayed Shah, and I'm the founder and CTO of 12 Tech.
This is actually part 2 of previous video that I posted. In that video, I basically showed how can you install and configure Revive on an Amazon EC2 instance. And of course, in this video, I'm going to show how can you create advertising campaigns and start serving ads. The first step, of course, is installation of the Revive ad server. And as I've mentioned, I showed that how you can do that in one of my previous videos. However, there is a much easier way that doesn't require you to spin up servers, install and configure packages on it, and all of that stuff. All you need to do is just use our CloudFormation template for the Revive ad server, and you shall have a Revive ad server up and running by the click of a button. And that's what I'm going to use in this video. So you go to CloudFormation, go to create stack and upload. I'm going to select the stack. Okay, and then you select the template and then click next. There's the separate video that shows how to do that, so I'm just not gonna go over the settings again. I'm just gonna populate the fields without saying much. Revive. Okay, create stack. And now it's going to do its magic, and in a few minutes, everything should be set up for us. Okay, so the stack has been created successfully. And if you go to the output, you shall see its URL. And then when you click Revive, the installation shall start. And once again, I'm just gonna zip through this because I've already explained how to do this in another video. Installation is complete, and here it is. The Revive admin console. Now we can start creating the ad campaign. Okay, so the first thing is to create an advertiser. So I'm going to create an advertiser for my company, that is 12 Tech. So I'm going to enter the company name, contact, and the email. Let's say it's my email. And I think these are good options. Select and then the save changes. So now the advertiser has been created. Next thing we'll do is create a campaign. The campaign is a way to group a set of advertisements together in an entity. So a campaign is going to have multiple advertisements for an advertiser. Using the campaign, you can specify the start and stop dates and some of the settings. So if I have like 4 or 5 advertisements that have the same objective and that should be grouped together, I'm going to put all of them in that campaign. Okay, so we're going to select this option. We're going to start it immediately, and there are other options which we will just accept the defaults. And now you have a campaign that has been created. Next thing, as you can see, this console is also guiding. Next thing to do is to create a banner, and then we're going to add it to that campaign. A banner, as you know, this is like standard banner, standard advertising banner. It is what people see. It has an image and a target associated with it. When someone clicks on it, the user is taken to that target, which usually is the landing page. Okay, so we add a banner. Let's click here. Okay, and in the add banner form, select upload a banner to the web server. There are other options too. And you can name the banner and call it and I also put the dimensions of the banner in its name. I'll just upload the banner. There it is. This is the banner that we're gonna use. And yeah, the landing page is gonna be this one, the target, that is. And save changes. Okay, so now our campaign has just one banner. Of course, we can add more banners, but we'll just proceed to the next step, and that is to create a zone. A zone is basically an area on your website where banners would get displayed. For example, top zone, center zone, footer zone, right? So these are some of the examples. Right zone for the banners that show up on the right side of the page. Yeah, for zones, you first need a website. A website is just a way to group your zone. So let's suppose our website is, we wanna do this for our main site. Okay, name is fine, contact is fine, and then the website has been created. Let's go back to zones and add a new zone, and we're gonna say top zone. And then this is where it's important to use the correct dimensions, because here you're gonna specify the dimensions of the zone, and the banner that you add to the zone needs to be of the same dimensions, otherwise they're not gonna show up. So it's important to note the dimensions of your banners as well as the dimension of your zone. Okay, so the top zone has been created and it has been added to the zone belongs to the 12 Tech website. But what I don't like is, why is it showing my name? It should show the website name. So let's go back here and see what's going on. Yeah, probably that's the problem. So let's edit it. Yeah, 12 Tech. So let's come up with a more descriptive name, 12 Tech website. So now if you go back to zones, and now it's showing the website name. Now the way we add banners to zones is we link them. So we go to the link banners option, and then we can just select banners by campaign. You select the advertiser, you select the campaigns for that advertiser, and just add by campaign, and then click this button. It's not very intuitive UI, but once you do that, all the banners from this campaign now have been added to this zone. Now everything is set up. All you need to do is go to the invocation code for this zone and select how you want the invocation code. It could be async JavaScript. Could be an iframe, could be some other option. So right now I'm just going to select iframe and just copy and paste this code on your website where you want the banner to show up. Okay, so the iframe code for the zone would actually go in the actual website, but to demonstrate the banners, I'm just creating a very simple HTML document, and then I'm gonna paste the code there. So just copy paste and open this file up, and there you go. You have the banner showing. And when you click on it, it's gonna open up that landing page. All right. So you just successfully rendered your first banner through Revive on your site. Okay. Next, I'm just gonna play around a little bit, and the next thing which I'm gonna do is add another banner to that campaign. So this is the banner, the slightly different version of the same banner, which I don't have much hopes from. And this banner is for custom web development services, which is also one of the services which we provide. So go to, okay, this is the home page. This is the dashboard of Revive. So go to inventory, and then you can go to banners, and then here for this campaign we're going to add another banner, and you can say custom web dev, and then specify the dimensions as well. All right. Select the file, and the destination could be our homepage. That's one. And rest of the stuff is we just accept the defaults. So the banner has been added, but now we want to link it with the zone. So go back to the zone and then go to link banners. And since we already linked with the banners via the campaign, it just automatically got added, right? So I think this should already this should be set up. And if we just go and refresh, and now you just saw the other banner as well. Now, one thing which has been edited out is the 20 minutes delay. I just want to refreshing so that I can show that the banners are being rotated. Yeah, so in Revive, there's this default delay. When you change a campaign, it takes 20 minutes to take effect. So if you run into this problem that you just add a banner or change a campaign and it's not taking effect immediately, it's because of this, the 20 minutes delay. All right.